Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use Whiteboard in Google Meet. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I'm already in a Google Meet landing site. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how you can get there first. Simply open any browser that you want and then simply search for Google Meet. Click on the first link and make sure that you're logged in with your Google account. Now you can either join someone's meet or just create a meeting. I'm just going to go ahead and create a meet for now. If you're joining someone else's, make sure that you have the permissions to go ahead and use a whiteboard. Now in order to go ahead and use a whiteboard, all you need to do is come down here to meeting tools and click on it. And finally, as you can see, there's no tools here. What you want to do is go to add-ons and click on browse the marketplace, and there's going to be the Miro tool. So simply go ahead and install the Miro tool on your browser, just like that, using the exact same account. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and use Miro, which is one of the best whiteboard tools out there on the internet, and it's very easy and usable as well. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. So as you can see, it's still loading. Now once it is loaded, simply click on create board, click on continue, and now as you can see, there it is. Now you can simply go ahead and create anything that you want to. This is exactly like the whiteboard you have been used to, and now you can either write something here, you can either put a text there, even sticky notes are available here, as you can see. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.